Open your fucking eyes, dickhead!
Is there? Oh, ooh, I wonder where large amounts of weight sits on this tarmac.
Pulled out in front of me, didn't indicate, and curbed the car.
Oh no, a bloody slow coach chalked out in front of us. Just over 40 miles an hour in the f***ing fast lane. Get over. Come on. Step it up a bit, or we're going to have you up the f***ing arse. Wait. What the f*** are you doing? You dickhead. What the f*** are you doing, you bread-checking wanker? You f***ing idiot. F***ing idiot. Well, no.
No.
On Absolute Radio, real music matters. Alright, Dano was up from 8 tonight, by the way, the Sunday Night Music Club, featuring Maximo Park as well.
Idiot! Idiot!
Like it, look at it and they go, it's nice. Didn't even look, did you? Got your headphones in, listening to podcast probably.
Okay, Garmin, same video.
Again.
Yeah.
Oh.
Shabby Bell in and Audi. Couldn't wait 2 seconds for me to get Grime on the island.
Ding! That was rad.
It's a red light, mate. All right. Oh, I think that was a red light. To wait at another red light. Yeah.
Just stop there, I'll be honest.
You're missing bits hanging off.
It's hanging off. They're hanging off.
It's a brand new van as well. Oh, yes, I've got a rep now anyway. Oh, naughty, naughty, Mr. Infinity Driver.
Oh, great.
So now we have a MG and a rare and early BMW. So, welcome to Porsches on Parade 2025. Cayman 1911 always has to be a gate crasher. A very loud and proud Mustang. And another one you're not going to miss in a car park easily. Everybody's favourite little two-seater sports car, the Frog Eye Sprite. And an Evora 400. Not the sort of car you easily lose in a car park. Of course, assuming you like yellow. TVR 390. Famous wedge. Still looks quite good today, I think. And an early Elvis. Don't you just love the dicky seat at the back?
Oh, is the bus broken? It actually has.
It actually has.
Oh no, someone did that.
Oh.